Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IRNC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was on Wednesday down around here, and then all of a sudden you look at where the price closed today on Thursday, any rational person would say, yeah, the price certainly did make a very nice bounce. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type movement? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 0.0135. Why is 0.0135 so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 0.0135. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area of the chart that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price went down here. However, in this situation, behaved like that, and then price started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down here. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase progress as 0.0135. So definitely a very important level from the support side of things. What about areas of resistance? As of right now, going into Friday, key level going to be right up there. Didn't quite hit it today, but at 0.016, you can see during this, upwards movement here, 0.016 is where the price got rejected. Got somewhat near it this afternoon. The good news is it's not very far away, so the price doesn't have to, travel that great a distance before it can start, trying to do battle with that area. So we'll see if the price can get through it or not. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.